Hello! Welcome to Abby's Phonics. Today we are going to be learning a new sound. It is a digraph, which means there are two letters that together make one sound. Can you say that? Two letters make one sound. That's it. Two letters make one sound. And the letters that make one sound today are T and H, or you might know them as T and H. Can you say T and H make one sound? T and H make one sound. T and H make one sound. So when you're reading words, you need to look for some special friends. So these letters are special friends because they sit right next to each other and they make one sound. Are you ready? They make a silly sound where I give you permission to stick your tongue out and say, my turn, your turn. I love how you make the sound. Can you think of any words with the sound in? What about think? I-ink, think. I-ink, think. Fantastic! Can you think of any other words with the sound in? What about moth? M-o-th, moth. M-o-th, moth. Brilliant! What about sloth? S-o-th. I'm going to speed up those sounds. S-o-th, sloth. Your try. S-o-th, sloth. Your try. Excellent! Can we think of one more word with the sound in? What about cloth? K-o-th, cloth. I'm going to speed up those sounds to blend. K-o-th, cloth. Your try. K-o-th, cloth. Your try. Good job! I love how you say the sound. Now I want you to keep practicing this one, and once you feel confident, you can continue to learn all of the other sounds. Thank you for watching. Bye!